Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DB Design, and in this video I'm going to give you an overview what we have learned through Solidworks learning series, right? And what we have explained and what we will do in the future, so that we will explain. But before that, I want to thank each and everyone who supported this series and liked, shared and watched our videos and make the best utilization of it, because I have put so much effort into it. The same I will put for the other software, which you can comment down and I can make video on that. So I'm again thanking you, all of you, for supporting on my channel by subscribing, liking and sharing my videos. And keep sharing, keep learning, and we will continue this process for each and every software or whatever like topic you can suggest for a motorsport, for CFD, for FEA, whatever you want, I will make video on that, right? So let's just talk about the overview what we have learned through learning SolidWorks series. So in the learning SolidWorks series, we have gone through the part level, assembly level and drawing level, three of that, right? And in the part level, as you can see, we have explained the features, we have explained the sketches, surfaces we have gone through, right? How to model a car, so that we have gone through. But in the future we will consider sheet metal as the advanced topic. Weldments are there, mold tools are there, mesh modeling, and there are many other verticals are there in the SolidWorks which we can include in future if you want to continue the series. And we will name it SolidWorks Advanced series if you want. Otherwise we will choose another software for as per your suggestion, right, for learning. And in the assembly we have gone through assemblies, basic mates, mechanical mates, all type of mates we have learned. Then some advancement in the like patterns we have explained, all the tools we have explained in the assembly. Okay, so you can go through our video step by step and you can be expert of it. Then also in the drawing we have not much covered the topics, but just necessary topics we have covered, like how to interpret the views, section views, align views, crop view, detail view. So that kind of topics we have covered, not got into much detail. But in the future we will also introduce the advanced part of the drawing, right? So this is what we have included. Now I am requesting all of you to suggest me a good software to likewise I have created the learning SolidWorks series, so I can make another series which is on another software or another topic. So just like this video is just for thanking you, all of you, for supporting. That's all I want to say for now. And yes, we will meet in the next video with another topic, right? Till then, thank you so much, and keep sharing, stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned to our channel and our Instagram page, so that you will keep yourself updated. Okay, so that's all for the video. Thank you so much, and keep sharing, keep learning.